Good morning. Today I am going to present a video on evaluation of symptoms part 3. In previous classes you see part 1 and part 2. A common symptom is one which is found in many patients and in many elements and is produced in the proving of many drugs. A common symptoms which is present in many patients, many elements and proving of many drugs. Elements means disease. For example, fever, chill, pain, sweat, congestion, etc. Common symptoms are of no value in a homeopathic prescription. These symptoms only help in the diagnosis of disease, but not at all in the selection of medicine in homeopathy. Common symptoms is not valuable or importance in homeopathic prescription. Common symptoms only helps in diagnosis of disease. General symptoms are those which affect the patient as a whole. It is of immense help in homeopathic prescription. The body seldom affected equally even in systemic diseases such as gout, rheumatism, etc. At times, right and left or vice versa, or the disease affect in the certain pattern. General symptoms who affect the patient as a whole. Therefore, a particular pattern of the development is answerable to a characteristics quality of a drug, and here lies the beauty of a homeopathic prescribing. For example, all symptoms are left-sided lycosis. All symptoms of CP are ameliorated by a speedy and constant movement, excepting jerky movement caused by riding. General symptoms are of two types, mental general and physical general. General symptoms are of two types, mental general and physical general. Mental generals are more valuable than the physical generals. Patient is exceptionally fastidious, arsenic, nux vomica, carcinosis. Complaints aggravated by music and consolation, ignatia. Physical complaint aggravated by thinking, aggravated by taking farinaceous food, natramur, natrum salt. So, how a symptoms indicate a medicine? A particular symptom is that which affect a single part or organ. Knee joint pain, swelling in a single part, photophobia, sneezing. These symptoms are of no importance in homeopathy, but when these symptoms become characteristic, become valuable. The whole is greater than its part. Never judge with particulars at the expense of life of the whole. Particular symptoms that affects a single part or organ, any part of the body or organ. Knee joint pain, swelling in a single part, photophobia, sneezing. Sneezing related to respiratory system, photophobia, vision or eye, These symptoms are no importance in homeopathy, but when these symptoms becomes characteristic, become valuable. The whole is greater than its part. Number 18. A particular symptoms can become a characteristic symptom under the 7 following circumstances. These circumstances explained by according to Dr. Boning Hussain. When a particular symptoms becomes associated either with sensation or modality, or with another particular, or with concomitant, or with a non-modality, or with a non-uniforming particular, or with a causation, or with some uninforming particulars. A particular symptom can be lifted into a characteristic of particular type when it is associated with particular causation. A particular symptom can be lifted into a characteristic of particular type when it is associated with a particular causation. Example: pain in knee after a contact with colds. Pain in knee after contacts of cold, Brownia rustus. When a particular symptom is associated with particular sensation, then the simple particular will be converted into a particular symptoms of characteristics variety. When a particular symptom is associated with a particular sensation, then the simple particular will be converted into a particular symptom of characteristic variety. Example: sensation of coldness in the larynx. Medicine cystus. Sensation of coldness of the affected part. Medicine ledum. When a particular symptom is associated with a modality, then it is converted into a characteristic symptom of particular variety. A gouty joint emulated by movement is rustus. When a particular symptom correlates with either a particular symptom or a group of particular symptoms, then it becomes characteristic symptoms of a particular variety. When a particular symptoms correlates with either a particular symptom or a group of particular symptoms, then it becomes characteristic symptom of particular variety. Example: gouty symptoms alternate with asthma. Medicine is sulfur. Pupil dilated days before an epileptic attack, argentum nitricum. Leukorrhea alternate with piles. Leukorrhea alternates with piles, ammonium muriaticum. Headache in winter alternates with diarrhea in summer, aloes. A particular symptom becomes a characteristic symptom with a general variety when it is associated with a concomitant symptom such as breast pain during menstruation, lac caninum, conium. A particular symptoms become a characteristics of general variety. A particular symptoms becomes a characteristic of general variety when more than two particulars of uniform nature unite together. Example: a patient has swelling and pain in right eye, headache right sided, sciatica pain right sided, pain and swelling in the right angle. All these particulars have one symptoms in uniformity, that is right sided. Hence it makes a grand general, that is complaints right side. When a single particular symptom is not in conformity with the other uniform particular, then it is classed as a characteristic symptoms of general variety. When a single particular symptom is not in conformity with the other uniform particular, then it is classed as a characteristic symptom of general variety. Lycopodium patient, in fact, is a hot patient. All the symptoms of lycopodium aggravate during warm, but his stomach symptom craves for steaming hot food, for which he has to use a spoon. Here the stomach symptom is not in uniformity with the other particulars. It is a contradictory particular symptoms. It is a beauty of particular symptoms classed into a characteristic variety of general symptom, general type. It is of highest value in a repertorial analysis. Thank you for watching. In next video, evaluation of symptoms part 4. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.